Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on your password that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!